Insects are food to many animals like spiders, lizards, frogs, and birds. You might have seen, no? Birds will be eating insects, children. Spiders will be eating insects, lizards will be eating insects, even frogs also. As you can see in the picture here, frog is eating a insect here, isn't it? So some insects are food for some animals. Now we will see about harmful insects. Till now we have discussed about useful insects. Now harmful insects. As you can see in the picture here, what you can see in the picture here, children? Many insects like mosquitoes, lice and bedbugs are blood suckers. They suck our blood and also spread a number of diseases. Already you know about the mosquitoes. These are the lice. We will be worried about the lice now when we have lice in our hair. It will be like irritating us, isn't it? They will be sucking our blood. And bed bugs, even they are also harmful, isn't it? Malaria, dengue, chikungunya and brain fever are some of the diseases caused by mosquito bite. You know that, children, mosquitoes are very, very dangerous. They will spread some dangerous diseases. And insects spoil our things also. A large number of insects feed on crops and damage them. Many insects like weevils eat grains stored in the kitchen and granaries and cause huge losses. As you can see in the picture here, they are eating groundnut and they are eating rice here, isn't it? These are weevils. What they will do? They will damage the grains. They will eat and they will damage the grains, and that will be a huge losses for the farmer, no? Isn't it? At your home also you might have seen, with the rice they will be present. They will be eating the rice, they will be eating the wheat, flours, etc. Insects like silverfish and termites eat paper and wooden articles. As you can see here, children, in the picture, silverfish, it is eating the papers, and these termites are eating the wood. By eating them, they are spoiling them, isn't it? They are spoiling the papers, they are spoiling the books, they are spoiling the wood. If you have wooden cardboard in your home, wooden cupboard in your home, what they will do? If they are present there, they will just spoil them by eating. And silverfish, if they are present in your home, they will be spoiling your books also, your textbook also, isn't it, children? So only we have to keep our house clean. Where there is dirty things, there you can see such insects. If your home is clean, you can't expect any insects at your home. So keep your home clean and tidy, okay, children? Houseflies sit on our food and spread germs that cause diseases like cholera and dysentery. Cockroaches are active at night. They feed on leftover food and spoil things in the kitchen. As you can see in the picture here, these are the flies, house flies. What they are doing? See there. They are eating on our food and they are eating them. Is it good for us? See what often we will be doing roadside. We will be eating pani puri, cakes, gobi manchuri, etc. But before eating, are we checking? Are they safe to eat? See, children, here, houseflies will be sitting on such foods and we are eating the same food. What will happen with our body? We will be healthy but after eating them? No, we will fall sick, isn't it? So before eating any food, just check them. If they are clean, if they are safe to eat, we can eat. Even at home also, this cockroach, it will be eating leftover food. So in sink we will be keeping our plates after eating. What will happen if we keep it as it is without cleaning? These honeybees will attack them. And same plate we will be using for eating. Is it safe, children? No. So be careful whenever you are eating. After eating, clean your plate. Immediately you have to clean that plate and keep it in its particular place, isn't it? Insects that bite. Apart from mosquitoes, there are other insects that bite us and cause a lot of pain. Wasps and honeybees are some of them. Some of them, is it? You can see in the picture here. When they will bite us, what will happen? When honeybee stings us, it will be painful, no children? That part will swell like this. It will be reddish and it will swell like this, and it will be paining for many days. When honeybee stings, it will be paining for many days and it will swell like this. But it is not dangerous as well as it is not good also. Okay, children? So what we have learnt in this chapter? Number of legs is different in different animals. Human beings have 2, cows and horses have 4, insects have 6, spiders have 8, and caterpillar has many legs. Animals move in different styles. They walk, run, hop, jump, crawl, creep, swim or fly. Sick animals hide themselves to rest undisturbed. Body of an insect is divided into 3 parts. Those are head, thorax and abdomen. It has 3 pairs of legs. Honeybees, silkworms and butterflies are useful insects. Insects like mosquitoes, houseflies, lice, bedbugs and weevils are harmful to us. Bites of insects like mosquitoes, wasps and honeybees causes a lot of pain.